Hi viewers, it's wonderful. I come back again. My old friend Gaurav, and we are in Temp. Temp, as you know, the 3-year-old brand. They have just started in the Indian market. Young entrepreneur with a new passion and all these things. Let's talk to Gaurav and understand what are the new products they are bringing in the Indian market. As they are celebrating 3 years, and they are also bringing some healthy charger. World, you can say India's first small and healthy chargers. So let's talk with Gaurav and try to understand what are the new innovation they are bringing to India market as per the consumer needs and what are the new innovation they are bringing. Welcome Gaurav. It's nice to meet you.
हाय, आई एम गौरव खेतरपाल, को फाउंडर फॉर टेम्प्ट इंडिया। आज हम ये एग्जिबिट कर रहे हैं दिल्ली के अंदर और ये यहाँ पर हम अपनी 3rd एनिवर्सरी बना रहे हैं टेम्प्ट की। एंड वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट हेल्दी ट्रैवल चार्जर। इट्स अ स्लीक चार्जर विच इज़ अ 67 वाट ज्ञान 3 चार्जर। वी आर वन ऑफ द फ्यू ब्रांड्स जिन्होंने ज्ञान 3 अभी लॉन्च करा है। सो वी कॉल इट एज ए हेल्दी चार्जर बिकॉज इट इंक्रीज द लाइफ ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट। वी वर्क ऑन द डिवाइस एंड इट्स बैटरी एज वेल। इट कम्स विद अ स्मार्ट IC। तो ये प्रोडक्ट आज हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर प्रमोटिंग आवर पावर एंड चार्जिंग सोल्यूशंस। सो वी वांट कि हम टेम्प्ट को पोजीशन करें चार्जिंग और पावर सोल्यूशंस के साथ। तो आज हमने अपनी पूरी रेंज यहाँ लॉन्च करी है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं। तो ये हमारा पूरा रेंज है पावर का और यहाँ हमने पूरे पावर बैंक्स लॉन्च करे हैं, ये आप देख सकते हैं। ये मैक्सेफ चार्जर्स हैं, कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव IDs हैं और ये हमारा ज्ञान 3 सीरीज़ एंड डिवाइस स्पेसिफिक हमने पूरे चार्जर्स हमने लॉन्च करे हैं। ये जैसे हमारा एक्सक्लूसिव ID है, ये आप देख सकते हैं। इसको हम एज अ ट्रैवल अडेप्टर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ग्लोबल अडेप्टर। ये आपके सारी कंट्रीज इसके अंदर कवर होती हैं। वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट। ऐसे इसके बाद हमने अपना ये ऑडियो, हमारा पूरा रेंज है। सो इन ऑडियो वी हैव नेक बैंड्स, TWS एंड सम स्पीकर्स। सो वी हैव गॉट कंप्लीट रेंज, द नॉर्मल एंड द नॉइज कैंसिलेशन एज वेल। इसके बाद वी आर ऑल्सो इनटू वेरिएबल्स। सो वी हैव स्मार्ट वॉचेस right from entry level up to AMOLED watches. Also we do wireless chargings and car chargers and some IT gadgets. So all these products are handpicked and the best of the best quality. So we want to position our brand as a premium brand, and today we are here. We have launched all these products today, and do visit. I think market is very highly commoditized in this industry, but here the biggest issue is that customer doesn't have any awareness of the product. That's what I feel, and easily they can just go for the price thing. But here what we are doing is we are selling a solution to the customer, not selling a product, and we give a proper customer experience whatever product they choose from us. That is our forte, and that is what we are here for. We make awareness, we educate the customers, and then according to their demand we launch those products. So majorly we have been working in South India, and we are, as you can see, we are South India's leading LFR brand. So majorly we are into South India, and we are slowly and steadily going to other places as well. So we are also in some parts in West, in Rajasthan, in Gujarat, and in Delhi as well. So I feel that this industry has a lot of future, and many brands can coexist. The only thing is, if you stick to the right product, right quality and right experience, I can see a big opportunity in the coming years. So in these 3 years, we were more or less focusing on audio. Now we want Tempt to resonate with charging and power solutions. So we want to be masters for that thing. And in the same time, we will be enhancing our audio products as well. So we will be venturing later into premium range of neckbands, TWS, and some speakers as well. So now around 60% of our portfolio is made in India. I believe that we should push that, and accordingly we have chosen the right manufacturer. We are doing outsource manufacturing now, and we are choosing the right kind of product which is suitable for the Indian customer. So as I said earlier, that we want to position ourselves as a premium brand, and we want to make our mark in power and charging solutions. We want to be the masters for that, and we want to position ourselves there. We should provide a solution to the customer, not just the product. So we have, that's why, launched device specific products, so that if a customer enters any retail shop, he just says, okay, I want a particular brand charger, we should give you the solution, exactly the same fast charge. So for that, we need to educate the salesperson who is actually handling the customer. That's what we have been focusing on, and we are also giving trainings to our distributors and their dealers who are actually facing the customer, and accordingly they give the right product to the right customer as per their needs. So I think this is Tempt 2.0 version. That's what I can say. We have introduced really good products now, which technology wise are far more better. We have also evolved with time. Like for example, in chargers, we have introduced GAN 3. So we are one of the few brands who have launched GAN 3 first in India. So that's what we have been doing, and our focus is to give the best product at affordable price. That's our motto for Tempt. That's it.
For more information visit www.mobilityindia.com.